If you have a garden hose, you probably know the battle. You're trying to store this thing, you're wrapping it up, but all the hose is doing is fighting you. It's getting kinked up, it gets tangled up, and the next time you're trying to use it, it's a whole big thing. This video is for you. The first thing you need to know is the material your hose is made of has a big impact on this. So if your hose is a cheap hose, one of these rubber hoses like most are, these are really hard to wrap up. They tend to get kinks often and they tend to get tangled. Now you can wrap this up in a smart way that will get rid of all those things, and I'll show you that here in a minute, but you have to know from the get-go that a hose like this, these hard rubber hoses, are harder to use. Now this next hose is a vinyl hose. Vinyl is a great material for a hose. It's easy to use, it's easy to wrap, and as long as you're wrapping it the right way, this type of hose is going to be kink-free and it's going to last you a long time. To me, it's well worth the upgrade. If this is something that interests you, check the links below. My favorite is a 0G hose. These are vinyl hoses that come in a variety of lengths, and I have the link for you to click on and we'll get them delivered straight to your door. Last thing you need to know to have a really good wrapped hose that's kink-free is the figure 8 method. It's really simple. Rather than taking and making one circle on the ground with your hose, you're going to make one circle and go into another circle just like this. And then you're just going to repeat this pattern, the figure 8, until all of the hose is wrapped up in one of the two circles that are now on the ground. Once this happens, you're simply going to pick it up from the middle, just like this, and your hose is going to be good to go. You can hang it on your wall or just set it on the ground. It'll look nice and it'll be ready to use day after day. I hope you found this video helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up.